This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
3 of my supplementary.
23.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
This is the notification I was referring to.
Page koto? 23, sir.
That second paragraph. Kindly see the time and the box, the arterials involved.
Where is the receiver preventing?
আমাদের জাজমেন্ট খামটাতে থেকে জাজমেন্টটা বাদ করো। দেখুন প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ দি ইয়েটা বার করে দেয় আমাকে, স্ক্রিনশট গুলো বার করে প্রেজেন্টিং প্রেসিডেন্ট।
Now the next page. This is the transport corporation. Whatever I have gathered, ferry closed for the day. Third, 25th, the resolution of our bar.
It is a bar's resolution. It's not within my domain.
No,
Bar or ferry services.
I'm not saying so. All that I'm saying that everybody understand that due to congestion, it is impossible for them to come. And that's the reason bar has taken this resolution. But I tell you, Don Bosco School, I have got the message. They have requested their students not to come in Paksagas. Lashi was proposing that should be a declared holiday if they at all want to, if this is their policy decision. In effect, that is the scenario. And page 22 is the communication made by them yesterday night at about 9:30.
Twenty-six is irrelevant. This is not the
Page 22.
September.
Their communication at 9:30 yesterday. No, I have given that example. Continuously they issues
Surprise you that adequate will have already
144 orders in the spirit of that area throughout the year. That Kesidas to Victory House remains under the zone of
additional traffic has been made to prevent any person.
144, rather 116.
What is page 22? Why are you pointing?
Page 22 is the reply of the police authorities against my email. They have not disclosed the decision by which they have allowed the party to organize the program, but they have made this communication. This be the situation,
So they have assured you.
assurance must be I have annexed in my writ petition all traffic regulations. Kindly take some writ petition once vis-a-vis the traffic regulation that they have issued now. Kindly take some page 25. Let's see the streets involved and the street involved in the present notification. Page 25 of my writ petition.
25 of the writ petition.
Of the writ petition.
And you have already a notice of in the next page, which are the roads. 23 is the page which is of present year.
That's why I'm glad. Page 25 of the 2022. Next page of the 2024. similar arterials are involved, similar traffic restriction was there. In spite thereof,
16/7/2025 is a traffic restriction
yes,
of this year, according to you, sir.
same restriction was imposed in the previous year also.
So let us restrict us between 16th and 17th.
No, restriction is for 21st July in respect of these arterials plan.
These are the roads which they have named.
They have named.
Huh.
Where similar roads were named in
Earlier.
earlier.
So there earlier years we forget.
No, all that I'm saying, my suggestion is that
let us deal with the present year right
yes,
now.
My suggestion is that previously this notification was issued. Even then, what has happened? We have seen, we have annexed the photographs. Therefore, this notification and the assurance, whatever they have given, is basically a paperwork, has nothing to do with the reality. Everybody knows. That's why Bar has taken resolution. That's why Don Bosco School has issued notice to their students. The ferry ghats has issued notice stopping ferry service. Everywhere, it has become a holiday because everybody knows that despite all this traffic regulation, whatever they have issued, nobody is going to traffic regulation will be obstructed, and people will not be available at their services.
Let me hear the advocate.
And only one more line, even if I don't come to this court, I assume that I am approaching my land advocate general as a lawyer and informing him that this is the situation. What would be his suggestion? I'll be expecting from him that.
You have got the documents, sir, which was documents. You have got the documents. The application.
No, today supplementary affidavit has been filed.
No. I asked you to produce the application, the permission which has been granted. The application made by respondent number 5 and 6, whoever is the applicant.
That was this.
Perhaps if I have understood correctly, subject to correction, your lordship desired that whatever notifications like 16 July 2025 have been issued, those to be produced before your lordship.
So that would be notification would be subject to some consequences. Na? All these notifications are not issued, sir. You produce those, sir. I'm giving you, but I have a shortage of time today, sir.
May I make one or two submissions? Now that the supplementary affidavit has come, your lordship may kindly take page 12 of the supplementary affidavit.
Page 12.
Yes. But this is the constitution of the writ petitioner. Now, if your lordship may kindly take me to page number 18. At the bottom, para 29, the AILU shall have the following structure. Then turning the page, A is conference, B is national council, C is national executive committee, D is secretariat, and E is state/union territory committees. Now, please take the jurat portion mirrored of the writ petition at page 21.
Yes.
I, Amitabh Ghosh, son of Dilip Ghosh, President of All India Lawyers Union, Calcutta High Court Committee, aged about etc. affirm and say as follows. The Calcutta High Court Committee does not find place in their structure. Therefore, whether at the instance of this gentleman, whether a writ petition or a suit can be instituted, please have a look to one judgment. একটা copy there. So this is 2022 SCC Online SC 382. Please have a look to only one paragraph, paragraph 15. SCC Online SC. The aforesaid finding is completely contrary to law. A society registered under the Societies Registration Act is entitled to sue and be sued only in terms of its bylaws. The bylaws may authorize the president or secretary or any other office bearer to institute or defend a suit for and on behalf of the society under Section 6 of the Societies Registration Act. Every society registered under the Act may sue or be sued in the name of president, chairman, principal secretary, or trustee, and shall be determined by the rules shall be determined by the rules and regulations of the society, and in default of such determination in the name of such person as shall be appointed by the governing body for the occasion. Even the Travancore, Cochin, Literary, etc. Act, which is applicable to parts of Kerala, carries a similar provision in Section 9. Therefore, unless the plaintiff in a suit which claims to be a society demonstrates that it is a registered entity and that the person who signed, this is very important, and that the person who signed and verified the pleadings was authorized by the bylaws to do so, the suit cannot be entertained. The fact that the plaintiff in a suit happens to be a local unit or a shakha unit of a registered unit society is of no consequence unless the bylaws support the institution of such a suit. But my learned friend's client must satisfy the court that the institution of the proceeding, well, as your lordship knows, but the suit is instituted by way of a claim. And over here, Miller, 226 are instituted by way of a writ petition. Therefore, Miller, this is a registered, they claim to be a registered society. We, for the time being, without disputing that, by respect to submission is luggage. Therefore, Miller, my learned friend should first satisfy the court that this gentleman, first of all, is High Court unit is a forms part of the structure of this writ petitioner society. That has to be shown, number one. Number two, it has to be shown that it has been authorized to file this writ petition. But unless this is demonstrated, my respect to submission, this petition is not good.
High Court unit.
High Court unit does not find place in the structure of the writ petitioner at page 18 and 19 of the supplementary report.
This is the first point. Second point.
Number two, Mr. Lakshmi, take paragraph number 1 at page 21. Mr. Amitabh Ghosh does not say that he has been authorized either by the bylaws or by any resolution to institute this proceeding. No authorization has been produced before my lord. Doesn't say that bylaw X authorizes me. Neither any resolution has been annexed. I don't know whether in the writ petition it has been annexed or not. The copy which has been circulated is not does not bear any resolution. Then we not going by paragraph 15 of this judgment. But by respective submission in local units, it says that describes it as the High Court unit. For a High Court unit or someone on the High Court unit, submission unless is a unique structure, you cannot execute the request. This is my first respective submission. Now, without waiving this objection, please state the representation which was made.
It will take some time. Just let me just have a 5 minutes break because I'll continue up to 3:15. You have to stay.
I made
No, after no lunch. Sir, I have got to rise at 3:15 and I have got to attend all the lawyers who have mentioned the matter. Try to 11:45. I was.
My lawyer friend, we have given them a reply. Without reading whatever I've said. We have given a reply. They are not at the last hour. Keep it not immediate after the vacation. Sorry, after the vacation.
Yes, sir. I see.
It's over. So that you not let these points be decided. I don't stand in the way, but we are not at the last hour. Let these points be decided. If your lordship so feels.
No, this is a point, but give me 5 minutes.
That's all.
Just give me 5 minutes. I'll take a break. Hey, Anandi, get you take, have a glass of water. Yes, now I will continue because I don't have a full break today actually. From 3:30, there's some commitments at the administrative side. The 10 minutes already. Come back 10 minutes. 1:45. Yes, yes. 1:45. Please come back.
Mr. Doctor doesn't require.
So Dotto is maintaining his health for a considerable period of time.